Dude, I see movement. And guys, we're back here. Another video, guys. We're outside right now. It is a middle of a snowstorm. I was just out here playing. I'm hearing some sketchy noises, and I'm like, yo, I'm gonna go pick up this camera, see what's going on. And I hear it again. And there's sirens and stuff. It's actually kind of scary right now. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cold out, guys. It is really windy. Oh, that scared me for a second. Whew. These sirens are going off. There's loud trucks. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get on to this video, guys. Dude, what is that? Right there. It's been just making some crazy noises. Oh shoot, dude, I see movement. It's at me! Whoa! Jeez, I just fell right there. So, I was really scared. I thought some weird stuff. That was so weird. I don't know what that was, guys. It's really cold, guys. Also, guys, it is just about to be like the end of December. And guys, remember that one video I made towards the beginning of December about 50 subscribers? Guys, we cleaned that up. We're at, well, I don't even know, we're at 70. Guys, thank you so much for all that you guys did. You guys are amazing. And now we'll do the Xbox gift card giveaway. Don't forget, the way you can enter is subscribe and drop a like, guys. And now next goal is 100 subscribers, guys. I know we can do it, right? Let's do this thing. There's something chasing me. It's just kind of scary, though. Yeah, the snow right now is just crazy. And it's supposed to be a pretty gnarly snowstorm. It's gonna be like some snowstorm Brody or something. I don't remember what it's called. But oh shoot, I hear something. It's like footsteps again, guys. Over here too, right there. And then I heard some back there. I'm gonna go down here, down this hill, guys. We up to 15 likes on this video. We'll do a sledding video, guys. I think that will just be a really cool video. Maybe even 10 likes, because I think that'll be just really fun, because why not? Big truck up here, guys. Big truck. Oh, it just passed. Guys, that was kind of... And the snow is heavy right now. But if, I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but that is all water right there. So if we get 25 likes, and if that water is still there, I will jump in there. Middle of winter, guys. I will jump in there just for you guys. Oh. I don't know if there's a whole lot to this video, guys, because I don't know. I just heard noises and when I was just messing around out here, because, you know, we got some nice snow here, guys. Oh, great snow, guys. I love snow, but very cold. And so yeah, just subscribe if you're new to the channel. Tell every single one of your friends, guys. We'll keep making these banger videos. Get to 100 subscribers. Stay tuned with all my videos. Turn on the post notifications, because we'll keep making these banger videos. What do you say we guys get up to 15 likes on this video? Because we will go sledding, guys. That will be such a cool video. Guys, it's freezing. It's yeah, so if you guys just want me to make these cool videos, also go follow all my social medias. They'll be right here on the screen. Man, I can't believe we just got past 50 subscribers. It's just awesome. And I mean, we've been past for a while. It just feels really good. But I just want to get to 100 guys, because that'd be really, really cool. And yeah, so let's get up to 15 likes and we'll go sledding, guys. I don't got a whole lot else to say besides let's just have fun. I mean, I'm gonna go down by the water over here. I just thought I'd explore. I mean, snowstorm. It's nighttime. It's like 7 o'clock. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. Always, you know. Hope you got some cool gifts. I'm like about to fall. Hope you guys got some cool gifts. Gave some cool gifts, guys. Always be giving gifts. That's just really fun. And I'm about to fall again, like I fell back there. Guys, like as I said, this is very cold water. Like, it's just starting to freeze up. Like, it's grass here, but out there it's probably up to my waist, maybe. But it'll be really cold, and if we get up to 25 likes, I'll do that stuff here. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can't really see it, but I'm gonna go up to my trampoline. There's like snow covered all around the netting. I'll see what's inside. I don't know if it's like there's slush everywhere. I mean, it's crazy. And I'm really sorry about this wind. It's pretty brutal. The wind is not my friend. It's very bumpy, like a bunch of ice trunks everywhere. Like, you can't really see through. Wow. Well, I thought I was gonna hear some more noises and stuff, and I don't know, probably just a deer, a rabbit or something. Well, that's probably gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. You know, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great Christmas. You know, for me, it was a fun Christmas, as you saw my videos. If you didn't see it, go check that one out. It was a very fun video. Yeah, it's gonna wrap it up. So if you guys been in this channel for a long time, guys, you probably know the saying by now. Stay awesome, stay cool, and stay in school, guys. Don't forget the last word. Peace.